Hello everyone and welcome to day 18 of our ACT math prep. Let's take a look at our problem for today. It says, what is the domain of the function y equals log of negative 5x with base 2 minus 1? When I look at the answers, if I have absolutely no idea how to do this, I would throw out B and D. Because A, you got x is greater than 0. C, you got x is less than 0. Something tells me that might be the answer. Now, is this going to work every time? No. But if you have absolutely no idea how to do the problem, I would throw out B. B says a set of all real numbers. So it's saying that x can be anything. Real numbers are anything that you could put on a number line. Positive, negatives, decimals, fractions, etc. So I'm throwing that out. And I'm going to throw this out. Only if you have absolutely no idea how to do this problem. Now, the next thing that you need to know, we are looking for domain. So right away, you need to start thinking domain is x. What can x be? That's what you need to ask yourself. So when I look over at this problem, here's where my x is. So that's what I'm looking at. When you take the log of a number, we have log of negative 5 times x. When you take the log of a number, it has to be positive. So when I'm looking for this value, I know that negative 5 times x has to be greater than 0. Because you can't take the log of a negative number and you can't take the log of 0. So now this is a good reminder of how to do inequalities also. I have negative 5 times x is greater than 0. There are times in my negative 5, so I'm going to divide. When I do that, this divided by itself is 1, so I get x. Now, you need to remember with inequalities, when you multiply or divide both sides by a negative, you have to switch the inequality. See how that's a greater than sign? I divided both sides by a negative, so I got to switch the inequality. So I get x is less than 0. 0 divided by negative 5 is 0. So x is less than 0. My answer is C. And there you go. We're going to do some more on logarithms here in the next few reviews. Have an awesome day.